Hi, my name is Michael Hollins, and I am the founding attorney here at Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office, where we practice bankruptcy law and we do it well. And today I would like to talk about medical records and medical billing and how it's being reported on your credit report. There are some changes you should be aware of. But first, if you'd like any information regarding bankruptcy, please head over to hollinsbankruptcy.com, where you are literally one button click away from setting an appointment to talk with me about your situation, or give us a call at 866-862-4557, where you can set up that same appointment 24/7. Someone's available to make that appointment. Now on to the topic, medical billing on your credit report. How has this changed? Well, before the new law that Congress enacted, a medical biller, a doctor, a dentist, anyone in that field could take any balance that you may owe. It could be a copay, no matter how big or small, and report it to the credit. Reporting that to the credit bureau can chip away at your credit score. Even if it's a $10 or $15 copay, that late pay, slow pay, 30, 60, 90 days late, no pay is what brings your credit score down incrementally, okay? And so Congress understood that some de minimis bills are not necessarily things that should be reported in that fashion. And so what they've done is they've set a new floor for medical billing on your credit report. That amount is $500. So any copays or medical bills that you may owe, that you may be behind on, if under $500, should not be reported moving forward. So what is that? This is a great time to go to annualcreditreport.com and pull your 3 credit reports for free. I would recommend that you do the annualcreditreport.com because it is truly your credit report. It is not the apps that we have on the phone. They don't always capture all the information. But pull your credit report. Take a look at any of the medical records. If they're under $500, challenge that credit bureau to remove it based on the information today, based on the new law enacted by Congress. What will that do for you? Well, a slow pay, a no pay, a 30, 60, 90-day late pay, they chip away at your credit score, which heightens the interest rates that you pay in life. And the interest rates are just a few digits. A difference between 4% and 8%, between 6% and 12% can be thousands of dollars over the years. And so Congress recognizes this. And so they put the floor in place. So moving forward, when you have medical debt, if it is under $500, you have to be sure to make sure that that doesn't make your credit report if it goes unpaid. And of course, the idea is that you actually pay the bills, pay them on time, but we find ourselves in situations where we just don't have the ability to do that. And you hear me talk about Chapter 7 being a way of helping to get you right-sided when you're in that situation. So if you have medical debt, you don't think you'll be able to pay it, it is harming your, as far as being able to have a comfortable lifestyle. Chapter 7, bankruptcy may be a solution for you. Medical debt is still the #1 reason why bankruptcy is filed throughout the United States. So you are absolutely not alone if you are someone who found themselves having to have a surgery, or having to have therapy, or having to have physical therapy. These are not cheap things, and these are things that are income away from us in a way that we have to sacrifice the things we need. The shelter payments and the vehicle payments and the utility payments, and that shouldn't be the case. Well, I hope this information was helpful to you. I hope you got some utility in it. If you did, please like it. Comment below if you have questions. But I'd like you to also share this video, because someone you know that I don't know will need this information. That is always the case. So I appreciate you doing that. Again, my name is Attorney Michael Hollins, Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. Thank you for listening, and as always, please be safe.